Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 21st, 2021. Yes, a few minutes ago I have solved a 4-star Sudoku because it took me more than 40 minutes to solve, and this time I will solve a 1-star Sudoku number 3132. And before I start, let me count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, plus 3, 16, plus 4, 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 1 star for 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, we will see if I can manage that. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see here single box is already filled in. This is also a single box. It's a 1. All right, then dual boxes. Can we see here the dual boxes? No dual boxes. I see only a triple box. And when you see a triple box, those or these 3 boxes, the inside box, this one, is always 4 or a 5. It cannot be a 1, 2, or 3 because I need a 1, 2, and 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So it must be 4 or 5. The inside box, this box, yes. We see here 4, so it cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay. Triple box, then the quarter box. Here we have a quarter box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. More triple quarter boxes? No. I missed this one. Dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction or structures, whatever you name it. Alright, the first one, the L shape, it's mirrored, and when you see the L shape here, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. The T shapes. T shape upside down. Yes. Remember that this box, in this case, it's a 1. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, no T-shapes anymore. Then the following, this shape. Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, more? Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then this shape here, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes? No. Then, yeah, those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have 4, but there are more than 4. But in this puzzle, yeah, there are only 4 that you need to recognize. Then it's easy. The following step is start filling the numbers. Then it's easy to start filling the numbers. All right. So let's get started. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Okay, these 3 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4. Those 3 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Yeah, these 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think. Alright, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. If I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So it cannot be a 2, it should be a 3. So this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. No, not as a pair. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 1. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Well. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Those 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. Well, I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2, but we already have a 2 there, so this box should be a 5. It's connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 1 and the 2 here, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then the 1 and the 2, okay. The difficult part. I think. Let me see. 1, 4. Can it be a 3? 3. 4. This cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here. Cannot be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 5. This box is connected with that box, so we also have 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, I think. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Faster than 15 minutes. I've told you so, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, the 4 star Sudokus. I have also the playlist for the killer Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Yes, it's summer holiday this week. Yes, thank you. Bye bye for now.